Hi, there's Accutek car audio visual in Winchester. There's a little video of a upgrade we've done in this Ferrari California. We've installed a KENWOOD DMX8021 to this. As you can see here, we've installed the proper fascias for it. It all keeps the original Ferrari badge here. We've got a USB in the glove box for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This also does wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This unit has got also got digital radio, FM, Bluetooth, camera inputs, etc. All the microphones all hidden within the vehicle. No steering wheel controls on this, so we don't have to worry about that. If you'd like to have this done in your Ferrari California, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.